Today I'm cleaning my QK60 and trying new keycaps. These are the switches I'm using. And here's how they sound. See you in the next one.